Welcome to the mid-north coast, New South Wales, where we source our tea tree or melaleuca essential oil.
This plantation is on 640 hectares. 400 hectares is under plantation with another 200 hectares yet to be developed. As I've learnt more and more about the scientific results of tea tree oil, it is an oil that should eventually be in every household around the world.
We've been able to spend the afternoon learning more about the plants and seeing how it's grown, seeing how it's harvested. And it's an amazing operation of a group of people who have come together with a passion for tea tree oil. This is where the plant is actually indigenous. Everywhere else is taking its seeds, taking its plants from here.
We're at the distillation facility now, and you can see in the background we've got 2 distillation bins with fresh plant material, which we call the tea tree biomass. Each particular bin contains roughly 10 to 11 tonnes worth of the plant material. What's happening is that we're sending steam from the boiler underneath each bin, and the steam is distributed evenly at the bottom of the bin, and it naturally rises up through the plant material.
I'm not sure if you can see it, but if you look carefully, you'll be able to see the droplets of oil in the leaf. Very pinpoint little droplets. But when the steam hits the leaf, those little droplets expand and evaporate with the steam. And when I squash it, then I get the oils come out onto my hand. Beautiful.
It exits the cooking bin into what we call the condensing unit, and this is bringing the steam back to a temperature that forces it back down into a liquid form.
Yeah, you notice there's a lot of kangaroos on our place. They are our unpaid workers. The kangaroos eat the grass and the weeds, but they do not touch the tea trees because they know the tea trees for doTERRA's customers.
So the tea tree biomass, which has been taken from the fields, has since been distilled and dumped into this location, and it's left here to cool down. The majority of it we reapply back onto the plantation, because as you harvest you're taking nutrients from the ground, and this is our opportunity to directly put back those nutrients. This is a best farming sustainable practice.
One of the reasons why I am very pleased that our oil gets to the consumer via doTERRA is because doTERRA have a certification CPTG, so that the consumer knows if it's got that certification, it's met the quality control, it's got traceability back to the source, and the consumer is getting exactly what we sold.
Some of the specific things that stood out to me with this particular farm and this particular source is the purity of the area around it. It's beautiful, it's clean, the workers here are passionate, and they're harvesting it with the best intention, the best ability to be able to bring us the best essential oil.